Priscilla. I'm from Apatzingan, Michoacán, Mexico.
I started working in Oriflame 1 year ago, and now I live in St. Petersburg with my beautiful daughter and husband.
We met 15 years ago. Yeah. The reason I joined Oriflame that I can pay my own college because I come from simple family.
My name is Onyinye Obiora Okoye. I am a mother of 3 beautiful children. I said yes to Oriflame because I wanted more. I wanted an opportunity to also impact other people's lives as well.
One of the great things in Oriflame is that you can travel a lot around the world. You can see young people, old people make the same like you.
The fact that Oriflame is Swedish struck a chord with me, really. They go through the right testing, they go through the right production levels. So you use the products, you feel it on your skin, you feel good about it.
You can choose your activities and make your schedule that you want it. And that is the freedom that you receive when you work in Oriflame.